All right. Yeah, it's a rainy day. Welcome again to another tutorial of the topic integration. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn integration by parts. Integration by parts is just another method of solving integration. So when you solve and solve and solve and solve and solve, one time you will encounter an integrand that requires you to integrate a product of two functions of x. So when we have to integrate a product of two functions of x, then ndo tunatumia hiyo integration by parts. Yes. So when we have to integrate a product of two functions of x, we use integration by parts. So integration by parts help us to integrate a product of two functions of x. Zamani sasa kwenye differentiation tulikuwa required to differentiate a product of two functions of x. Tulitumia kitu kinaitwa the product rule, ambapo when you have a function y which is a product of two functions of x, u and v, we said in order to differentiate y with respect to x, inabidi uchukue u times the derivative of v with respect to x jumlisha v times the derivative of u with respect to x, kama hivyo. So leo tunataka tusome integration by parts, lakini ili tuelewe integration by parts lazima tuanzie kwenye product rule. So kwenye product rule tulisema if you differentiate a function y which is a product of functions u and v which are functions of x with respect to x, then ni sasa tunachukua u times the derivative of v with respect to x plus v times the derivative of u with respect to x, ilikuwa product rule. So from the product rule now, I will derive the formula for integration by parts. So I'm going to integrate both sides with respect to x. Now huku pia I will integrate with respect to x. And so manake itakuwa kama hivi. Huku naweza nika integrate moja moja, nikaanza na huyu kwanza, then jumlisha nije ni integrate huyu. So you can see zinakufa tunakumbuka chain rule pia kusema kitu kama hichi. Kwa hiyo kumbe nikiintegrate huyu ni sana ni integrate huyu plus ni integrate huyu. Sasa huyu zamani tusema ukiintegrate dx unapata x, ukiintegrate dy unapata y. So manake nikiintegrate huyu bila shaka nitapata uv. So uv now is just equal to ni integrate kama hivi plus kama hivi. So make this one the subject now, becomes like this, uv like this. So this now is the formula for integration by parts. Yes. So now let's solve example 1. Itatusaidia tuelewe jinsi ya kuitumia hii formula ya integration by parts. So this is example 1. Anasema find the integral of x times sine of 2x with respect to x. So I have two functions here, x, which is a function of x, and sine of 2x, which is a function of x. So this is a product of two functions. So because it's a product of two functions of x, I'm going to use integration by parts. Now from integration by parts, tunasema kama hivi ni sawasawa na hivi minus hivi. So I need to have a u here and a v. So I'm going to let u iwe sawasawa na x, a u samani and a dv, and then I'm going to let dv even sawasawa na sine 2x dx. So lakini pia nahitaji nipate du na v. So ili kupata du, I'm going to differentiate u with respect to x. Nitapata 1. Na ili kupata v, now I have to integrate dv. So I have to integrate both sides. So hapa nikicross and multiply, du itakuwa sawa na dx. Nikiintegrate dv nitapata v. Nikiintegrate sine of 2x kwa kutumia substitution method, nitapata negative 1 over 2 cos 2x. Kwa kawaida tulikuwa tunaweka plus c, lakini kwenye hii integration by parts usiweke kwanza plus c mpaka tufike mwisho kabisa. So integration by parts nasema ukiintegrate kama hivi basi ni hivi. So sisi tunataka kuintegrate huyu. So tumesema u ni x, afu tumesema du ni dx, lakini pia tumesema dv ni sine 2x dx, and then tukasema v ni negative 1 over 2 cos 2x. Kwa hiyo hii ni sawasawa sasa na u times v. So u ni x huyu hapa, times v ni huyu sasa, negative 1 over 2 cos 2x. So minus, we're going to integrate v negative 1 over 2 cos 2x times du ambayo ni dx. So itakuwa sasa na negative x cos 2x over 2. So negative na negative na kwa plus. So 1 over 2 is constant, naitoa nje. Cos 2x with respect to x. So this now I can integrate by substitution method. So by substitution method, nilishafundisha huko nyuma, so I won't do it again. I'm just gonna write the answer straight. By the way, ukishazoea substitution method unaweza kufanya hii integral kwa kichwa. So jibu hapo litakuwa ni 1 over 2 sin 2x. Usahau huyu hapa over 2. Sasa ukisha integrate zote sasa ndo unaweza ukaweka plus c, where c is constant. So the final answer now itakuwa nikiintegrate huyu itakuwa sasa na negative x cos 2x over 2 plus 1 over 4 sine of 2x plus c, where c is constant. Kwa hiyo nikikutana na integrals ambazo naona kwa kutumia standard integrals tembei, kwa kutumia substitution method tembei, naweza sasa nikatumia integration by parts. So this was a simple example. In the next tutorial we shall do more examples kwenye hii concept ya integration by parts. Let me say see you in the next tutorial.